Hey viewers, today's video topic Facebook Messenger restricted mode. Check now. Open your Messenger and tap the three dot menu in the top left. Tap to settings gear icon. Go to privacy and safety. Click now. Tap the restricted account, restricted profile. Click now. When someone is on your Facebook restricted list, they stay your friend, but they can't only your public post or post where you target them. You can to clean up your list, or did someone mention the could not see listed post. Thank you.